Brad Williams, just as an overview, I said I'm going to show you a layout of this customization in the WORKDAY.INTL function. Here it is. This one is just pretty much in place. It's hard-coded. We use conditional formatting in order to just highlight in here Tuesday, Wednesdays are days off. This is a hard-coded number. You can change this to anything you want. Make sure your data internally matches this. All we're doing is using this data to identify the next workday. Show weekend day based on random start date. Well, here's our weekend days. Here, it's going to indicate based on Sunday. We could put Monday here and it'll bounce over to Wednesday as the first day, as I showed earlier. You can just change this to wherever you want. It could be all zeros, which would mean 7-day workdays. Let's say it's an emergency cleanup deal. Can you anticipate it? We're working every day. Well, this is going to show Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, etc. Here we have Monday, Wednesday, because Tuesday, Thursdays are off. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. The point of this is your ability to customize this over here. If you have an older version of Excel that doesn't have the WORKDAY.INTL, Workday International function, you can use the weekday function. You can manipulate it to whatever customization you want. Workday just is a streamlined method. We can also use that network days international if we're counting between days. Brad Williams, Excel primed.